Now, you know, it was just announced that Chrisean Rock just signed a professional boxing deal. I don't recall them releasing the monetary value of the deal, but it doesn't matter. A contract was signed. And I told you guys last summer that Chrisean had Junior because you have to give something to get something. Not too long after the news about the contracts break, her son is in the back seat while she's on live. No CPS, no cops, no nothing. Just ignoring him, giving more attention to the phone and the camera as usual. People in the comments are showing genuine concern. Chrisean is blowing them off and continuing to neglect her child again in front of the public for the public to see. So why won't CPS go to her house and take her baby? Because this is higher than the law. You cannot do what Chrisean does and continue to ride out in front of the public like Chrisean does. I have told you guys that she is in with them people. I think that baby is for Zeus. And didn't Lemuel just have a baby? Right. Like these networks, you see the same thing on Bravo. You see the same thing with Disney. This is all alleged. But when you start, again, signing these deals with these like mega corporations, that shit is not free. Like you got to give something. And I just feel really bad for Junior because I think it's more than obvious, which is why she treats him the way he does, that he is just a vehicle to help her get to the next level on the industry pyramid. Let's talk in the comments.